To push our project to post contract, first we are going to go to our project page. Click the cube button here, click tendering. So once you click tendering, you'll be directed to this page. Okay, so to push our project to post contract, we are going to use this push to post contract button here. Click at it and you will see check publish requirement. So make sure this two has been completed, which is at least one contractor assigned to tender, contractor selected on tender setting. So it should be checked before you can click publish. Okay, so if both are checked, what you're going to do is click publish here. So over here we have two options. Use selected contractor rates. This one will be used if you are using the contractor rates whereby the tender has been done in BillSpace and the tender rates has been submitted through BillSpace. So you can use selected contractor rates with not listed item or without not listed items. Another thing is use estimation rates. If your tender was done outside of BillSpace whereby you are keying in your agreed rationalized rates at the estimate, then you'll be using estimation rates, right? So same thing goes, we also have with not listed items or without not listed items. In my case, because my tender was done in BillSpace, so I'll be using selected contractor rates with not listed items or without not listed items. So I'll use without not listed items, and this form will pop up. So regardless of whether you are using estimation rates or using the selected contractor rates with not listed item or without not listed item, you'll still be required to fill up this form. The difference is the amount that will be used at post contract, right? So in this page, what you're going to do is we're going to fill up all the mandatory items, and the non-mandatory, if you want to fill up also, you can fill up. So letter 4, you can just leave it as such. LA number, you can amend if you want to amend. Reference number here is actually your contract number, but if you need to change it, you can still change it. So contract period from, let's say, 27th of March 2023 all the way to 27th of March 2024. Awarded date, let's say it was awarded on 20th of March 2023. Trade, let's put in main contractor here. Okay, so do check on your contract sum. It should be your awarded contract sum. Okay, and then we also have retention. Please do check on your retention. If your retention is 10%, check on your maximum retention also, because whatever you key in here will be automatically displayed here, but you can still amend lah. Alright, so include VO, include material on site. You will only take it if, let's say, it's going to be included into the maximum retention sum calculation. If it is not part of the maximum retention sum calculation, then you will untake it, whereby this include VO, where it means that it will not be part of the maximum retention sum calculation. So your maximum retention sum will only be based on the awarded contract sum, right? So it will not include any VO, it will not include any material side. But if your maximum retention sum includes VO, then you will be taking this one. Same goes for material side. If you are calculating it to be included into the maximum retention sum, then you will take it. If not, then you just leave it unticked. Waiver options, labor rates is not mandatory. You can just leave it as is, right? So once you're done, you are just going to click save here, and it will go to the verifier for them to do the approvals. So that's how you are going to push your project to post contract for approval.